Hey guys, in this video, I'll be showing you how to create passkey on WhatsApp. This will give you an extra layer of security when signing in with your device. Now go ahead and open WhatsApp. Once opened, you want to tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on settings, tap on accounts, and you'll see passkeys in this section. Tap on passkeys. So with the passkeys, you'll be able to log in into your WhatsApp with your face, fingerprint, screen lock, or whichever authentication you have set on your device. Tap on create passkey, and a passkey will be generated for your account. If you don't find your email in this section, you can tap on the drop down here and you'll be able to see all emails that you are signed in on your device. Tap on continue and you need to verify with your authentication. Unlock your device and your passkey will be created and stored. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, do make sure to like, subscribe, and have the post notification turned on.